Hi, in today's video we're going to do some great facial tapping to really help with blood flow and circulation, improving elastin and also collagen naturally. Hi, I'm Ali and I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, obviously you want to start off with clean skin and clean fingers. Now I'm using some facial oil just so you've got kind of like a slip and glide at the end when we're doing our lymphatic drainage, but also whatever you do apply to your facial area is going to penetrate in better and deeper when you're tapping your skin, for instance. So just applying just a couple of drops to the fingers, just massage it in, and then just gently applying all along the facial area and not forgetting the neck. So we're going to start from the collarbone, we're going to work our way up from the neck and then come all the way to the top and then work our way back down with the lymphatic drainage. So taking our fingers, almost using these pads of the fingers here, let's just come to the collarbone, and just above the collarbone we're just going to do some gentle tapping. And we've got plenty of lymph nodes in this area, and then you can work along the collarbone heading towards the shoulders. Again, just very light, gentle taps. This is great, particularly if you're 50 and over, and perhaps if your skin's slightly sagging. And so this is a really nice, gentle tapping technique, just all the way along. And then with the fingers, just gently tapping from the collarbone and working our way up towards the chin area and the jawline along the neck. Now the skin on the neck is very fine and delicate, so you don't need to be too heavy-handed, just a nice gentle tap. It's also great to do in the evening. So if you have a great facial oil for an evening, that's even better as well. So just gently tapping all the way along. And then we're going to use the back of our hands here, starting from the chin, and just gently tap the chin area. Now again, we have plenty of lymph nodes. Again, just nice and light, and then gliding away nice and light along the jawline towards the ears. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. It really does help with blood flow and oxygen to the neck and the head area, as well as calming down the nervous system. And then just tapping onto the chin area here, and then slowly working our way all along to the ears. And then taking our thumb, placing it under our chin, fingers above, we're just gently tapping under and above the jawline as well. Now I'm in my mid-50s and I've been doing facial yoga and facial massage since I was in my early 20s, and I really do believe it's helped with the skin texture on my face. So I'd highly recommend, and it doesn't matter when you start, even if you're in 60s and over, it's never too late. And we're just now working on the area here, which is the lower part of the face. And again, I like to work in an outwards and upwards motion. And then just tap by the other side of the nostrils here. Great acupressure point. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then on the cheekbone here. Now when it comes to the eye area, the skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate. So just gently tapping with the ring finger as we have a lighter touch. This will also help with any puffiness around the eyes as well. And then slowly tapping in an outwards motion again towards the temples. And then tapping the temples. Again, this will also help calm down the nervous system, particularly if you have any migraines or headaches. And then tapping between the eyes. and slowly working our way up. Again, you may feel a little bit tired when you're doing this. Again, because it's a great acupressure point here. Again, calming down the nervous system. And then slowly working our way from the eyebrows along the forehead towards the hairline area. And then heading towards the temples. And then just tapping on the head. This really does help release any tension. And just working all around the head area. And not forgetting back of the neck and the bottom of the head. And then just a little bit further up again, onto the crown. And if you feel a little tender point, just tap it a little bit more and come back to it again later. So once we've done our tapping, really helping with blood flow and circulation again to the face and the neck area, let's do some lymphatic drainage. Really important to release the toxins and waste from the neck and also the facial area. So you're interconnecting our fingers here, and we're just very gently, with a feather-light touch, working from the center of the forehead towards the temple area. Now the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so we only delicate touch is needed. And then just gliding under the eyes, towards the temples, and then not forgetting under the eyebrow, lower part of the face, and the jawline. Further light touch. And then with the flat of the hand, as we have more surface area, if you like, from the collarbone, we're now just lifting up from the neck towards the jawline. And then placing our thumb under our jawline here, our chin, fingers as a hook, we're now gliding in an outwards motion all along the jawline towards the ears, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And we also have plenty of lymph nodes again under the jawline. And then just taking our fingers and just glide at the front of the ears and the back of the ear. Again, lymph nodes here. And then just taking the fingers, just massage in a round circular motion, bottom of the head, top of the neck. And slowly work our way towards the middle. And then when the fingers are touching with one hand at a time, I like to glide down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone and on the other side. And then for the all-important lymphatic drainage release, from the chin all the way down, literally our beginning starting point, if you like, we've got some indentations all along the collarbone here. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination after we've done our fantastic facial tapping for glowing skin. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. I also have a community, and please check out my email and also my amazing facial oil here.